This is my Rainforest Smoky Eye, and I will be showing you guys how to do this, so stay tuned. I will be using my e.l.f. 100 palette, using this bronze color, and I will be sweeping that color right across my lid, but not all the way on there. As you can see right here, I will be starting from the inner tear duct and moving into the middle of my eye. Not quite all the way to the end of my eye, but just in the middle. Then I will be using this Rainforest Green, and I will be using that to smoke out the color on my eye. I'll be using that on the end of my eye and sweeping that color into my crease, as you'll see right here. Okay guys, now that that is done, what you want to do next is just make sure that you blend out the colors so that there are no harsh lines, and you can dip back in color that you already used to make sure that you cover up any imperfections or flaws that you might have made in the application process. So next I will be using a highlight color for my brow bone, just to kind of give you that fresh arched look. It just kind of pulls the eyeshadow together. And I like using applicator tip sponges better than brushes sometimes, because you can really pack on as much color as you want. Now I'm just using my foundation brush to blend that out really good, just very softly, so that your makeup doesn't look like a clown. Now guys, I'm just cleaning up any fallout from around my eyes with a damp towel. Now I'm going to be using this auto liner, just the automatic roll up black eyeliner in black that I got from my local beauty supply for about maybe $1 or $2. And I'm just going to line my waterline. Kind of heavy on that because I kind of like an eye that pops. Now I will be using my Smashbox mascara that I got as a sample from Sephora. I like how dark it is on my eyelashes. It's just in black. Now I know usually people use eyelash curlers before they put on mascara, but in this video I did it afterwards. Sometimes I do that. I feel like it gives you a little extra curl, but I mostly wait for my mascara to dry. And I hold it on there for about 5 seconds and release. And it just helps the eyelashes to curl a little better and to stay once they've done so. And here is the completed eyeshadow look. I really hope that you guys liked it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below, and I will be more than happy to answer those for you. If you have any makeup tutorials that you would like to see, you can leave that in the comment box below too. The music that you are listening to is by my lovely boyfriend Fresh. All the info will be listed in the description box. Thanks for watching, loves. Bye!